argument. The foreign intervention has always created problems for Sri Lanka. We have witnessed that right from the early stages to the militancy stage. So I argue that the foreign intervention has always created problems for Sri Lanka. In the post-conflict scenario is also going to be the same. But remember that we cannot forget the international relationships. Role of national defense, social transformation in Sri Lanka of the post-conflict era, the LLRC. I would like to draw attention to LLRC, Sri Lanka social transformation process in recent past based on LLRC and international guidance. LLRC has been internationally post solution, my argument. It is an informal intervention by foreign forces. These mechanisms focus on functional level changes, not the ideological base, which is important for the social transformation. Then, need of exploring the roots of the issue in order to find sustainable solution. We need to go to the roots of the problem. Need to clear ideologies of Northeast conflicts and the separatist struggle, which we have not gone through. In this era, national defense need to change its paradigm with new strategies. That is also my suggestion. Then LLRC based on foreign motives and wrong lessons. The wrong lessons are LLRC experience in South Africa that cannot be considered when you take the Sri Lankan context. In South Africa, it was a minority rule over majority, which is not here in Sri Lanka. Then bias towards minority of colonial descendants and discrimination for the majority of indigenous population. The case of Sri Lanka is different from that of the South Africa. Again, then when we come to Northern Ireland, the case is also same. It is not applicable for Sri Lanka because the conflicting parties either have an independent state to support in any way. On the one side, Ireland, and on the other side, England. Comprehending now important steps towards social transformation. Comprehending the failures of national defense and government policies towards social transformation process in Sri Lanka against the Tamil ethnic issue. Need to learn lessons from the failures and successes of national defense government against separatist struggle. So having said that, I would like to show this and go to the model that can we apply for Sri Lankan context, the same model where we incorporated the Sri Lankan issues. I hope you can go through all these because the same slides incorporate in the Northeast conflict and the social transformation. Then conclusion, social transformation is an outcome of change in the totality. It comes from the totality, not by one or two or selected situations. It depends on the collective participation of different stakeholders in the society, different stakeholders of the society. Government and national defense together is a major stakeholder in the process of social transformation that I have shown in the center interlock each other. The contribution by national defense in the early stage is economical and conducive to social transformation and sustainable development. If it is in the later stages, on the other hand, cost and social transformation is not smooth. Better social transformation need to predict possible conflicts. Number one, future social transformations and their complementary conditions, the limits of national defense and its role in the dynamic society, complementary measures that help in national defense to be effective, research and development for conflict management and social transformation through forward defense policies. I would like to underline forward defense policies. Prevent high increased defense expenditure and other possible damages due to conflicts in the society through early intervention, which is important. Then strategies to follow for smooth social transformation. Thank you very much.